the most talked about radio station in America.
B91 Dance Classic Weekend. B91. B91. B91.
The rhythm of the city. B91.
You know it ain't 91.
Yeah! B91!
Here's the rhythm of the city. You're getting into the rhythm of the city. B91 WKRB. Brooklyn, New York is dancing.
Checking out the Brooklyn club scene. It's the Bay Club celebrating its first anniversary tonight with No Sarah. And on the Wheels of Steel, it's DJ Billy Vaz. On the Manhattan club scene, Hot Drop jams out tonight with Nice and Wild. And Saturday night at Hot Drop, it's Claude Jabari. Turning out the beats is DJ Little Louis Vega. At the Copa tonight, it's Chico DeBarge. And jam out to the Copas, Tony Gio. On the Bronx beat, at La Mirage, it's TKA. On the Long Island scene, Saturday night at Club Montana's, everyone is talking and singing with Brooklyn's own Alicia. Jersey dance scene at Fox's. Saturday night, it's the Little Fox That Rocks. Sapphire. B91 Club Beat, keeping you beating to the best beats in town. Remember, don't drink and drive. Till next week, Madonna Donna always on the beat.
B91. This is the rhythm of the city.
The rhythm of the city. B91. Proven again and again why we are Brooklyn, New York's better music station.
Bobby B!
Non-stop music.
It's more